Hi everyone. Today we are making super crispy and spicy chili garlic cauliflower. It is a fusion recipe, an evolution of Indian and Chinese cooking coming together. This recipe is really simple and easy to prepare, especially when you have all the ingredients ready. Come, let's make this tasty chili garlic recipe. We have all the ingredients ready. One medium sized cauliflower, we will cut them into little florets. One medium sized capsicum, dice them. One medium onion, we will dice into petals. One pod of garlic finely chopped. 2-inch ginger finely chopped. For batter fried cauliflower, 2 cups cauliflower florets, medium sized, cleaned and blanched. Half cup maida, that is all purpose flour. 1/4 cup corn flour. 1 teaspoon red chili powder and salt to taste. I am combining the cauliflower florets with maida, corn flour, chili powder and a pinch of salt, just enough to coat them nicely. Maybe you can add a sprinkle of water, not more. Everything is coated well now. We will heat oil in a pan and will deep fry them until golden brown and crisp. We will just drop the coated cauliflower straight into the hot oil and fry them till crisp. No hassle of dipping in batter. It's part of Indo-Chinese cuisine, which itself was created by the Chinese community in Kolkata. Dishes like Gobi Manchurian, Chilli Paneer, and Chilli Garlic were developed in the mid 20th century by Chinese immigrants, especially the Hakka community, who adapted their cooking style to suit Indian tastes, making it spicier, tangier, and more aromatic. A fusion recipe, an evolution of Indian and Chinese cooking coming together. We will fry the cauliflower in a few more batches. It just takes about 3 to 4 minutes per batch until they turn golden and crispy. This is also fried well now. Let's remove from the oil. Everything is fried now. Just look at these beautiful golden cauliflower florets. Honestly, they taste amazing just like this. You can even enjoy them as a snack before tossing them into the sauce. Let's prepare the sauce now. We will start with some red chili paste, a tablespoon of soy sauce, and a tablespoon of hot chili sauce for that extra kick. Now for the corn flour slurry, mix 2 tablespoons of corn flour in 2.5 tablespoons of water and we will keep it aside. This is to thicken our sauce perfectly. Now we will combine everything together. We will heat a tablespoon of oil in a pan and add about 2 tablespoons of finely chopped garlic and fry till it is aromatic. Then toss in 2 tablespoons of finely chopped ginger and few red chili flakes. Fry all this well together. We'll add the onion petals now, adding the diced capsicum. I've used 1.5 capsicum here. Let us saute everything together.
Let's add the prepared corn flour slurry to the mixture. We will mix well, otherwise it might form lumps now. Adding the prepared sauce now, red chili paste, soy sauce and tomato ketchup.
We will add little water, maybe half a cup. Salt to taste.
Boil for a minute or two, then we can add the fried cauliflower to it. Fried cauliflower goes in now. After adding the fried cauliflower, we won't cook it for too long, just enough to coat it nicely in the sauce. Wow, just look at this. Isn't it looking so tempting? Top it with few spring onions and green chili slices.
We can enjoy this with pasta, noodles, or even fried rice. It goes perfectly with anything. And that's it. Our crispy, spicy chili garlic cauliflower is ready to enjoy. Give it a try and let the flavors do the talking. Thank you for watching and happy cooking.